We made new realistic cemetery pillars for our cemetery entrance this year. And I've been asked by a couple of people on how we made our brick look like actual bricks. So I thought I would just do a video and show you guys. Um, we made these out of the XP rigid foam insulation. You can get this at Home Depot. You can get it at Lowe's, and it comes in the 4x8 sheets. We just measured out how big we wanted our pillars, and we framed this out with 2x4s, and then we covered that with the XPS foam. I used a hot knife to carve the grout lines, and I just did a pattern of what we typically see with brick walls and brick pillars and fences. And then I covered that all with Drylock. Drylock acts as a great waterproofer. It seals it. It also has that gritty texture that really helps sell that stone and cement and brick look. Then I used a series of different colors to make the brick look realistic. This is a technique I learned from Van Oaks, and instead of just doing like one color and throwing it on there, this actually gives depth and dimension. So I don't really use all the colors Van Oaks uses, but I do a mixture, and it's the same process pretty much. I mix and match, and I make a dark brick red look, and then I use a burnt sienna, a burnt orange. Right here I'm adding the burnt umber, and just layering the colors like this really gives you more of that depth and the dimension and realism instead of just one color. Here I'm dry brushing and off-white. This is toasted marshmallow, I believe, and that just helps kind of give that weathered realistic look of brick. And so you can see that these look pretty close to real bricks. And of course the last step is just to age them, and this is just a wash with water and some black acrylic paint. I think I added a little green acrylic paint, and really loving these lights that I found on Amazon. I aged them. I gave them kind of a patina look with just a mixture of blue and green paint that I applied with a paper towel. And it just, I feel very satisfied with these. Our next step is going to make the gate that will go in between these, and I cannot wait to finish this out. I'm so excited how these came out.